Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. And guys, I hope you are staying safe. Guys, I'm coming to you today because I'm participating in the Spring Coffee Table Decor Challenge 2020. Now, this is being hosted by My Style, My Colors, and that's the lovely Sule. And if you're not a member of her channel, you would do yourself a favor if you go over, show her some love, hit that subscribe and notifications button, because I'm telling you, she does fantastic content, whether it be on DIYs, home decor, seasonal home decor, floral arrangements, you name it, she's got it. So again, please go over, pay her channel a visit, and you'll find her link down in my notifications, down in the description box rather, of this video, along with the playlist of all the other participants. Now, there were a few rules with this. Sule wanted us to be one of her subscribers, which I already was that, of course, and come up with at least 2 styles. And our first style, she wanted us to have some sort of floral arrangement, a tray, and some sort of light source, whether that be candles or fairy lights. Now, in our second look, we were to have at least some sort of DIY item. It could be something new. It didn't have to be an item, just something that was a DIY. And again, it could be something that we've had for a while. It didn't have to be anything new. And then she also wanted us to have some fun. So I will be quiet for a little bit and let you take a look at my first look. Basically, before it starts, I'll let you know that I went with, for all of my looks, I actually did 3 looks. I went with something a little different, a little outside of the normal color palette for spring. I chose some colors like purple, gold, and light blue, and I just played with them in different ways. So again, in this first video, you're going to see a gold vase that was a DIY, basically just using some bling wrap and ribbon, and purple flower arrangement that's, just some DIY Dollar Tree floral picks, and a couple other things like some coffee table books, etc. And for my light source, I have both the fairy light candles and also real candles. So I'll be quiet for a little bit and let you take a look at this first coffee table. First coffee table look, sorry guys. All right, guys. Now for my second look, I removed the tray and brought in a mirror and a nice little runner that I picked up at Ross some time ago. I did some Dollar Tree floral picks around a gold Mercury vase that I already had, and added some candle holders, pops of blue, but again, I kept that same gold, purple, and blue color palette. Now for my DIY, I did took those same florals, added a little bit more to them, did a DIY floral arrangement, and then added the blue butterflies into my DIY floral arrangement. So again, I'll let you check this part out, and then we'll go to the final look. Okay, guys, for my last look, I scaled everything way back, and I used a little vase, little DIY vase that you've seen before. Just use some bling wrap and ribbon to dress it up. And I have some little tulip floral picks, a couple of bunnies, and a couple of little mini Easter baskets. And I also have a tray and a little blue placemat to add a little pop of color. So this is the last one, guys, and I'll let you take a look at that. And I thank you so much for watching, guys. And I hope to see you in the next video. And remember, go and visit Miss Sule's channel, My Style, My Colors, and check out the link for all the other participants. Have a fantastic day, guys. And please watch till the end. And make sure to hit that notifications button, like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that too. Bye-bye.